So for all those Appalachian Trail thru hikers that refer to this as Rocksylvania, yeah, I get it. All right, so I guess we keep going this way. Where we are headed is the high point of Lehigh County, and from what I understand, the views are supposed to be amazing. So I guess we're gonna find out. Very rocky. More and more I enjoy these type of trails. I kind of like rock scrambling. And if you're looking for a workout, you'll get one here. But at the same time, I can see if I was a thru hiker and I'm just trying to complete the Appalachian Trail, I'd probably hate this. Or I'd get sick of it real quick. Wow. I'm not at the top yet, but nice little overlook here. Okay, it seems to have leveled off. I'm thinking that is the high point over there, but I want to check this out first. Ooh. I'm a little out of shape. That's what the winter months tend to do to me. All right, let's make our way over to the official high spot. Well, that's a pretty cool rock. Almost looks like a pyramid. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Get ready for this, people. We are going to see an amazing view on this side. Being careful not to get too captivated with the view, because you really do have to be careful here. I mean, it's not difficult, but it's rocky and you could twist an ankle or injure your knee real easy here. Okay, so we are officially, whoa, here. You probably see that turkey vulture flying around up there. But this view is amazing. And from where I parked, it's real easy to get to this. So I imagine this spot gets pretty busy, but right now I have this place to myself, which is pretty awesome. Very peaceful. Watching my step. Let's go down here a bit. Cool little ledge here. can actually fit through this little crevice. You can fit through this crevice and then you can fall right down there. I don't think I'm going to be doing that today. At least I hope not. That's not my intention. I'm not sure how much time I'm going to hang here because I really want to get to that area called Knife's Edge as well. But I'm liking this. I'm liking this a lot. A lot more than I thought I would. So I don't think I'm going to be going down too far today. Just want to kind of get that. I don't think I'm going to try to get to that rock, but I want to get some video of it. Actually, it's not as difficult to get to as I would have thought. That is a cool little ledge peeking out. Yeah, of course I had to. Of course I had to come up here. I'm thinking it's probably one of the best views you can get, though. So yes, I had to come out on this little ledge, but it feels really nice here. It's beautiful. All right, making my way back up. Very cool rock formation, though. Curious to what formed this. A glacier, maybe? I'm not sure if that's coming up, but these rocks are pretty cool. They have like a pinkish color to them. Not sure what they are. Actually beautiful. Too bad people put spray paint all over them. Whew. All right, so we made it back. Bake Oven Knob. All right, so I think I'm going to end my video here. Thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you could, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Take care, everybody.